Okay, Math Set 2, question 6. Ahmad and Bob together took 10 days to paint a house. Okay, if Ahmad and Bob worked together for 4 days, followed by Bob working alone for 2 days, Ahmad will take 16 days to complete the remaining work. How long would Ahmad take to paint the house all by himself? Now, sounds like a difficult question, but it's quite easy if you take it from a certain angle. In this case, let's say I have a certain amount. Okay, okay. Now Bob and Ahmad together will take 10 days. Okay, so I break this up into 10 parts, like layers like that. Okay, now I got 10 layers here. Now normally they will take 10 days. Now if they work together for 4 days, I can get rid of 4 layers, right? They will have painted 4 layers. Okay, so in actual fact I only left 6 layers, but then it says that Bob worked alone for 2 days. I don't know how much Bob does in 2 days, but what I know is if Ahmad and Bob work together, they'll complete a certain amount. So in this case, if Bob worked alone for 2 days and Ahmad for 16 days, 16 minus 2 equals to 14. Why take away this 2? Because this 2, when Ahmad worked, I can add it with Bob and it equals to the same amount. So I can take away 2 here. Okay, I can take away 2 here because 14 days left will be done by Ahmad himself. So how many layers of this would Ahmad complete? Simple. Ahmad will complete 4 layers. And 4 layers, how many days will he take? He will take 14 days. Okay. Now, 1 layer, he will take 14 divided by 4 equals to 3.5 days. Okay, he will take 3.5 days to finish 1 layer. Okay, now how many layers does he have to finish by himself if it's the whole house? He needs 10 layers. Remember, we started with 10 layers. So you will actually take 3.5 times 10 equals to 35 days. Okay, if you don't understand how to do this, replay that video again and see how I actually draw the layers out. Okay, learn to do it by layers like this. Okay, next. Question 7. Gerald and Harry have $825 altogether. Gerald spent 4/5 of his money and Harry spent 3/5 of his. Then they found that each of them have an equal amount left. Okay, so the key here is this: they have equal amount. So we want to focus on the equal amount. So in the case of Gerald, okay, Gerald spent, okay, and left. Gerald spent 4 and he left 1. Okay, in the case of Harry, he spent and he left. He spent 3, he left 2. But what I do know is this and this is the same thing. Okay, because they say they are left the same. So in this case, I times 2, I get 8 to 2. Okay, so basically the total units here is 10. Total units here is 5. So what do I do? 10 plus 5 equals to 15. Okay, this 15u is equals to 825. 1u equals to 825 divided by 15, 55. Okay, and they ask how much did each of them have left? 2 units, 2 units. 2 units is 55 times 2 equals to 110. Each boy has $110 left. Okay, done. Now question 8. Question 8 is also a very simple question. I'll run through it quickly with you. I'm sure most of you have managed to solve it by yourself. Okay, now a tank 80 cm long by 70 cm long by 30 cm high contained water filled to the brim. Okay, some water from the tank was used to fill 20 bottles. The capacity of each bottle is 1.4 liters. How many liters of water was there in the tank at first? Simple. Basically, I want to find my volume. So 80 cm times 70 cm times 30 cm equals to 80 times 70 times 30. 80 times 70 times 30, 168,000 cm cubed or if I change it to liters, 168 liters. Okay, that's my first answer. The volume is 168 liters. Okay, that's my first answer. Second, find the height of the water level in the tank after the bottles were filled. So basically what I want to do is minus off the water I take up for the bottle. So each bottle is 1.4 liters. There are 20 of them. Okay, what do I get? 28 liters. So basically I have to take out 28 liters. So 168 liters minus 28 liters equals to 140 liters, or 140,000 cm cube. To find the height, I take 140,000 cm cube divided by the length divided by the breadth. Okay, I will get 25 cm. So that's my answer. The height is 25 cm. Very simple question, so make sure you can get this right.